Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I will be reviewing the new Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. It came out, when did it come out? Last Thursday, I believe. This is what the palette looks like. It is so freaking pretty. I love that they changed it up with the packaging instead of their usual black. I think it's so cool that we got new packaging for this collection. It's so pretty. I did not get any of the bronzers, any of the highlights, none of the other great stuff that they launched with it. My main focus was the palette. I like good palettes. I love good looking palettes. Palettes are the way to my heart, honestly. But this is what the inside looks like. Oh, let me take that off. That is the name shades. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I'm really excited. So yes, guys, if you want to see how to get this look, obviously I only showed the eye look portion because this is an eyeshadow palette review. And to give you my thoughts, I like it. I really like it. I did have a little bit of trouble with the shimmer, which was the orange one around the edges. Like you see there's like a pop of gold in the center. That one not so much. Obviously if you go with your fingers, then yes, it'll go even more easily. But I should have probably wet my brush. I didn't do that. I never thought about it. But yeah, with just a dry brush, it was kind of hard. But like I couldn't use my finger because I have fat fingers. And I couldn't get into like the tiny part of the crease. Just right here, you know, small places where I wanted that shade to go in. But other than that, I really like this palette. I really like how this blended. I might have gone off a little bit crazy with the outer corners, but I like bold, I like dramatic. What else should you expect of me? So yes, guys, I honestly really like this palette. I'm really excited to play even more, even the summer, the spring. Had a fire new looks, you know. But yeah, guys, I really like this palette and I hope you guys like this look. I really like it too. I think it's so cute. I feel like this is the longest intro ever. I'm gonna have to cut some things out. Anyway, guys, so yes, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this Maybelline New York concealer in the shade medium. So I'm gonna use this to prime my eyelids. And I'm just gonna clean the brow a little bit. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to take is called Tan Up, and it's this beautiful dark tan brown. It looks just like this. It's so pretty. I'm going to put that all over the crease. I'm going to pack that into the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out with a lighter shade. Alright, so now that I'm done with that shade in the crease, I'm going to go into another lighter brown, dirty brown. That's the way I see it. It's like a dirty brown. A dirty brown. I don't know. It's like dirty water. It looks like dirty water. I don't know how else to describe it. But it's this shade right here and it's called Naked. That you see that orange in it, but it doesn't look orange. So I'm gonna use that to diffuse that brown shade that I used, which was Turn Up. I'm just gonna coat that and I'm just gonna pat it. Now going back into the shade Tan Up, I'm gonna blend that with that other shade Naked just to make it look like they're combined and blended together. I'm gonna blend it up. You know. Now for an even lighter shade, I'm going to go into a shade called Deserted, which is like a cold tone brown. Looks like this. Pretty, can't see it, can you? It's pretty cool tone. It looks orange on that too. I'm going to use that shade to blend the second shade, Naked. So I'm just going to, I'm just going to fan it out. Now I'm going to go into a much more darker shade, and I'm going to go into a shade called Heatwave, which is a very dark chocolate brown. That's what it looks like. It's this one right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corners of my inner corner of my eyelid. And I'm going to use with that same brush that I used earlier. I did clean off the powder using this right here. I'm just going to clean it just to make sure there is no left eyeshadow on it. And then I'm going to go in with that shade on the inner and outer corner just to give it some more depth. Alright, so I'm going to take this Bodyography flat brush, just looks like this, and I'm going to coat that with concealer, and I'm just going to, you know, do a halo cut crease. Went in with a little bit more of a tan up. I'm just gonna blend the outer edges of my halo eye. Now going into the shade Summer Vibes, this is at a very intense orange, metallic orange. Look at that, that looks like fire. Honestly, that looks amazing. I'm going to put that all around the center, like, I don't know, like in the outer part of the cut halo crease. I'm just going to, you know, pack that into the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with that same brush, and I'm going to take the shade Glow On, which is like a metallic silver gold. It's this one right here. I'm just going to put that in the center just to give it like a pop. Now taking a mixture of Tan Up and Heatwave, I'm just going to run that a little bit like above the cut. Now I'm just gonna blend some of those edges again. Alright, so I'm gonna go do this other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back and I did the base, I did everything else, you know. Obviously, I changed shirt. This is a sweater, but yes, I don't know what's going on with my voice right now, but oh my god, I blinked and now I have mascara on my lower lash line. Typical me. So, you know, do not touch it, just leave it alone. If that happens to you, leave it alone, let it dry, and then we can go in and remove it. But first, so I already did this lower lash line because I wanted to see how I was gonna do it, but it's like, it's really basic, it's really nothing. What I basically did was take a mixture of both Tan Up and Heatwave, and I put it in the lower lash line. I smoked up the lower lash line with it, and then I took a combo of Naked and Deserted, and I diffused it, blended out the lower lash line with that shade. I just like blended it right below it, you know, to just not make it look so dark. Just, you know, give it some color, some light, and that's really it for the lower lash line. I didn't do much. I thought it was gonna be so like high end, not high end, like so like 5 different shades, you know. I did want to do like a halo eye and a lower lash line, but I was like, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. So I decided to just do a smoked out lower lash line, and then I did do an inner corner highlight. It's very barely there. You can see it. So I am going to intensify it. The first thing I'm going to do is take a mixture of a Glow On, Glare, and Tropics. I'm going to mix those 3 shades and put those in the inner corner highlight. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go in with a little bit more of my Amrezy highlight. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. Give it a higher pop. Alright guys, so I did put on mascara. I did not put on falsies. I did not put on fake lashes. This look obviously deserves some fake lashes, but I would typically, normally not wear them. And I feel like I shouldn't have to feel like I always have to wear falsies. And if you're one of those persons who does not know or does not like falsies, I don't want you to feel like you have to wear falsies all the time, because you don't. You can obviously, there's some people that have naturally long beautiful lashes, no lashes necessary, and I have decent lashes. I'm not saying I have like fully beautiful lashes, but I just don't really like putting on fake lashes as much. Only if they were like super dramatic. But I feel like this, you know, it looks good. You know, there's a lot going on the eye, and I don't want the lash to steal away from the look, from the halo line. So I like it better like this, with just mascara on my top and lower lashes, and that's about it. So the last thing to do, and always do, is set your makeup. You always gotta set your makeup. So the setting spray I'm gonna get is the Flower Beauty One, the Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray and Dewy Finish. I'm gonna set my face with it. Alright guys, this is the completed look. Oh, what do you guys think? I really like it. I really like this palette. I'm really excited to play with it even more. I think it's super cool, such cool colors, you know, so many metallics and so many shimmer shades, and I'm really excited to dip my fingers in them because I'm a really shimmery kind of person. I love glitter, I love metallic, shimmer, anything that's pretty like this I like. So yes guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of the look. Did you guys pick up this palette? Are you guys excited? What did you guys think? I personally, when I saw the announcement on Instagram, I was like, I need that palette. I want that palette, and I went, I bought it. Yes, it's in my hands. Well, not literally in that moment, but now it is. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about it, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!